Turn GOAT over and place it on a soft, flat surface. The additional connection module is located under the battery compartment and the cover is fixed with 6 screws. Remove the 6 screws with a screwdriver. Remove the battery connector and remove the battery. Put the cable connecting to the GOAT aside. Remove the battery tray. Take out the additional connection module. Refer to the following steps for the installation of the SIM card. Remove the card tray with the pin provided. Put the SIM card in the tray and insert the tray into the slot. Insert the connector into the additional connection module. Put it back with the icon facing up. Install the battery tray. Put the cable in the compartment, install the battery connector, and then install the battery. Fit the 6 screws with a screwdriver. A prompt on the control panel indicates that the additional connection module has been successfully installed.